In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Gmail in Tamil. As we go through this process, I'm going to guide you step by step, ensuring that you can follow along easily, even if you're new to using Gmail in this way. First things first, you need to open up your Gmail account. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and do so using your details. Once you're on the main Gmail page, focus your attention on the top left corner. Here, you'll spot the Compose button. When you click it, a new email window will spring up, ready for you to start crafting your message. Now, the next important step is entering the recipient's email address, and this is absolutely crucial. You definitely want your email to reach the right person. So, type their email address at the top in the field that says To. Just below that, there's a field for the subject line. This is where you add a brief summary of your email's content. A clear and relevant subject line not only grabs attention but also sets the stage for the rest of your message. Be sure it reflects what your email is about. Moving on, let's talk about attaching a PDF file, which often plays a vital role if you're sending documents. At the bottom of your Compose window, you'll notice a variety of icons. Look for one that resembles a paperclip. That's the attachment icon. Click on it, and your File Explorer window will appear, letting you browse through your computer or device's storage. Navigate to the location where you've saved your PDF file. Once you've found it, click on it to select, then hit Open to attach the file to your email. You'll know it's successfully attached when you see the file listed beneath the subject line. Once these steps are completed, it's time to send your email. At the bottom of your Compose window, you'll find a bright blue Send button. When you're sure everything is in place, go ahead and click it to send your email with the PDF attached. And there you have it. That's how you easily send an email with a PDF using Gmail. While Gmail's interface is primarily in English, you might want to include Tamil content in your message. If your keyboard supports Tamil input, you can type your email text directly in Tamil, just like you would in any other language. Make sure your input settings are configured to switch to Tamil. But, if you don't have this set up, you can use a translation tool. Simply translate your English text into Tamil, then copy and paste it into your email. This way, you can still communicate effectively in Tamil through Gmail. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can seamlessly send emails using Gmail in Tamil, all while attaching your important PDF documents.